Have you ever been down here, Your Grace?
No, I can't say I have. I haven't seen these since Robert had them removed from the throne room.
Curious that King Robert did not have them destroyed.
They were his trophies. He couldn't keep them around, they would have made him look small. Sometimes he would come down here and look at them. I believe he brought his halls on occasion.
Balerion the Dread. The beast that Aegon rode across the sea. Its flames forged the Iron Throne and brought the Seven Kingdoms to heel. Powerful, but not invincible.